In local news, the Dane County budget has officially been approved, but the leaders of one community organization are wondering why they didn't get a share of the pot. Reporter Maddie Heimsch has more.
Dane County officials said they had to prioritize the, quote, most urgent needs of the community when crafting the 2025 budget. But Second Harvest Food Bank says those they serve face urgent needs every day.
Our community members, our neighbors, are going to see less food at home.
Michelle Orgay, president and executive director of Second Harvest, says she's not sure how the organization will continue operations without the funding they've become accustomed to.
How am I going to tell 250 folks that they can't have the milk that they need for their family? And for those families who are going home without that food, it's toughest on them to not be able to provide that for their kids.
With federal pandemic aid running out, Dane County officials say this year's allocations are on a cost to continue basis for county needs, meaning they couldn't replace the federal funds that had been going to Second Harvest. But Orgay says she wishes the county would have looked towards other sources of funding.
We knew that the federal pandemic funding was going to be going away. So did Dane County.
The county has never funded the food bank directly. And while Miles says he empathizes with organizations like Second Harvest set to lose their pandemic relief dollars, there's not much the county can do.
Even if we could provide the funding to Second Harvest that they need, it would mean that we'd be cutting existing services and staffing.
Prior to the pandemic, Second Harvest distributed around 750,000 pounds of food each month. Now they surpass 2 million pounds a month regularly.
Unfortunately, with our limited resources, and it simply isn't enough to meet those persistent needs.
Reporting in Madison, I'm Maddie Heimsch, News 3 Now.